Now, your local weather with the KX Storm Team.
Well, starting today, we've got quite the warm-up. In fact, it'll feel like mid-August by tomorrow, but unfortunately, that warm-up will come with the chances for severe weather, which I'll get to in just a second. Look at sunrise here as we look off toward the east in the capital city. A nice, let's call it a creamsicle-colored sky out there in the distance. A nice, tranquil morning in the Bismarck area where you're waking up to a temperature of 45 degrees. Those east-southeast winds are nice and light at 7 miles an hour, but they will be picking up here, and I'll show you that in just a few minutes here. Satellite radar picture is mostly quiet. You can see we did have some clouds filtering in the overnight hours. They've kind of thinned out right now, so we're getting a nice break in the cloud cover, but thicker clouds again back across the west. I think most of the cloud cover should thin out today. We will see more sunshine than cloud cover today. Here's a look at temperatures across the state. I'll zoom it in for a closer look at your neighborhood. You can see most places are in the mid-40s and lower 50s at this hour, and they'll continue to warm quite quickly as we go through the morning. As we get some of those southeasterly winds ushering in some of that warmer air, you can see Bottineau is at 54, Rolla at 52. And there's a look at those winds right now out of the southeast at between about 5 and 15 miles an hour. The strongest looks to be back across the southwest. You can see Beach near 30 mile an hour sustained, and you could have gusts today around 40 miles an hour. We'll roll through precision cast. Not a lot of precipitation here or cloud cover. You can see that by this afternoon, most everybody dealing with lots of clear skies, and that will continue as we go through the day on Tuesday. But it's Wednesday that we're watching carefully for the chance of some thunderstorm development. You can see that developing here. Again, don't pay attention to exactly where the thunderstorms are placed here, just that the models are picking up on some of that thunderstorm. I think the best chances for severe weather will be back across the far west. That looks to be where the instability or how ripe the atmosphere is will be the greatest Tuesday night and Wednesday night as well. I think if you're west of Highway 83, that's the best chance for a severe storm. That's why for Wednesday, the Storm Prediction Center has a slight chance for severe thunderstorms for basically areas west of Highway 85. It will also be quite windy today. You can see those gusts picking up in earnest as we go through the morning hours between 40 and 45 miles an hour. And basically, that's the way it will be all day. West of Highway 83 is where the best chance for those gusty winds will reside, and that should last through most of the day and into tonight. We're still watching Tropical Storm Arthur here as it makes its way toward the Carolina coast. Tropical storm warnings still in effect through Thursday. Thankfully, nothing like that for our area. Here's a look at highs today. They will be quite nice. Most places in the mid-70s. Back across the west where they've got those stronger winds, some places could touch 80 degrees. 3-day forecast for Dickinson is a pleasant one. Warming temperatures 86 by Tuesday, and then we cool back down towards seasonable levels. But the same thing for Williston, 90 on Tuesday. You are seeing that correctly. And quickly, here's a look at the extended forecast for the capital city. 69 is your average high. You can see that chance for rain Wednesday night and into Thursday. Again, an isolated storm, I think, for Bismarck. One or two of those storms could reach severe levels. About the same thing for the Magic City guys. A chance for a shower or thunderstorm later in the day, Wednesday and into Thursday. Again, I think the best chance for storms is back across the west, Williston, Dickinson, Beach, those areas. But it's a forecast that we will be fine-tuning here.
Well, yesterday was kind of a perfect day to have those windows open a little bit, but I don't know that I'm going to be opening those windows this week. I might be just leaving the air conditioner on.
Yeah, it sounds like a good idea.
Yeah, I woke up this morning and I was hot.
Oh, wow.
I mean, I haven't experienced that yet thus far living in North Dakota this time around, but yeah, it's definitely looking hot. Would this be a good time for people to start planting their gardens, Robert?
Yes, absolutely.
All right, sounds good. Thank you. When we return